Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in today's video we are going to study about plastics as materials of choice. So today if we think of storing a food item, water, milk, pickles, dry food, etc., plastic containers seem most convenient. This is because of their lightweight, lower price, good strength and easy handling. Being lighter as compared to metals, plastics are used in cars, aircrafts, and spacecrafts too. So these are all uses of plastics. So you should know about each and every uses of plastics. The list is endless. If we start counting articles like sleepers, furniture, and decoration pieces, etc. Now, let us discuss the characteristic properties of plastics. So the first one is plastic is non-reactive. You know that metals like iron get rusted when left exposed to moisture and air. But plastics do not react with water and air. So this is the difference between plastic and iron. They are not corroded easily. That is why they are used to store various kinds of material including many chemicals. So the next one is plastic is light, strong and durable. Talk to your parents or grandparents about the types of buckets that were used in the past. What is the material of the buckets or mugs you were using today? What are the advantages of using a plastic container? Since plastic is very light, strong, durable, and can be molded into different shapes and sizes, it is used for various purposes. Plastics are generally cheaper than metals. They are widely used in industry and for household articles. Make a list of different kind of plastic containers that you use in daily life. The third one is plastics are poor conductors, means they do not conduct electricity. You have learned about that plastics are poor conductors. Next one is plastics are poor conductors. You have learned about that plastics are poor conductors of heat and electricity, means they do not conduct electricity or heat. That is why electrical wires have plastic covering and handles of screwdrivers are made of plastic. As mentioned above, handles of frying pans are also made of plastics. So, read out this yellow box. Did you know plastics find extensive use in the healthcare industry? Some examples of their use are the packaging of tablets, threads used for stitching wounds, syringes, doctors' gloves, and a number of medical instruments. So these all are we see in our daily life. Special plastic cookware is used in microwave ovens for cooking food. In microwave ovens, the heat cooks the food but does not affect the plastic vessel. Teflon is a special plastic on which oil and water do not stick. So we should know the function of Teflon. It is used for non-stick coating on cookwares. Fireproof plastics, although synthetic fibers catches fire easily, it is interesting to know that the uniforms of firemen have coating of melamine plastic to make them flame resistant. Then we have plastics and the environment. When we go to the market, we get usually things wrapped in plastic or packed in polythene bags. That is one reason why plastic waste keeps getting accumulated in our homes. Ultimately, plastic finds its way in the garbage. Disposal of plastic is a major problem. Why? A material which gets decomposed through natural processes such as action by bacteria is called biodegradable. So, what is biodegradable? It's a material which is not easily decomposed by natural processes is termed as non biodegradable. So, we should know all the definitions of these. So, that's it for today's video. So, now we will cover the next topic in the next video.